Hello guys, this is CA Vishal Jain, your faculty for ACC FR and SBR paper. Guys, from the last couple of days, I have been receiving messages from multiple students that please come up with something for ACC FR and SBR wherein we can cover all the syllabus 100% coverage, but in very less span of time because we have just 45 days left for the exams and we want to clear in this attempt. Okay, so I am designing a SBR crash course for you guys. I am designing an SBR crash course in just 55 hours. In just 55 hours. Sir, what exactly you will be covering in this crash course? Can you please give a detail of it? I'll give the entire detail, step by step, all the details of this batch. Watch this video till the end, like the video, and also share this video with your friends so that they can also get benefit of it. Okay, now, guys, understand. In my opinion, there are 4 pillars of scoring good marks in any exam, not only SBR, in any exam. Okay, now the pillars are concepts, conceptual understanding in depth, the practice of questions. When I say practice of questions, not just solving the questions. When I say practice, it means the knowledge or the skill of applying the concepts in a given case scenario and answering what is asked in the question. Now, third is full-fledged exam environment mock test. And the fourth is identifying the mistakes which you have done in your preparation journey so that you are not repeating those mistakes in the exam. If you can take a grip of all these 4 things, trust me, you can score good marks in ACCA SBR. Now, how exactly we will be tackling those in our SBR crash course? What we have done is we will be providing you with around 20 to 25 hours of detailed SBR revisions, conceptual revisions, and guys, it will be there will be 100% coverage. There will be 100% coverage in these revisions. 100% coverage. When I say 100% coverage, you know what exactly I do in these concept revisions? The notes, the examples, the questions, okay, which I take up in my detailed batch, okay, I use the same notes, exact same notes. I'll show it to you. Exact same notes I use it, and I help the students in the revising using these notes. See here, the entire concepts are there, all the concepts are there. Okay, now I have drafted multiple examples to help you understand the concept. All these examples are discussed in my revision thing. Okay, now not only these, see, there are multiple examples discussed. Now also see here, multiple examples discussed. Okay, multiple examples discussed. Everywhere examples are discussed to help you get a conceptual clarity and understand how to apply the concept in a given case scenario. Okay, now also there are multiple places where I have designed master examples to understand a particular concept. Now coming to practice. Now guys, you must be struggling in ACCSBR to solve chapter wise questions, because what happens in ACCSBR, questions comes from multiple standards. So what I have done is I will be giving you this SBR question bank. This SBR question bank, I'll be giving it to you. Okay. Now the hard copy will be delivered to you. Now in this SBR question bank, I'll show my SBR question bank to you guys. Just give me a minute. So what I have done in this SBR question bank is, it has taken me significant amount of efforts to make this SBR question bank. And what I have done is I went in the last 10 attempts, past paper, practice paper, specimen papers, mock papers, and I identified all the relevant questions for each chapter and segregated for that chapter part. Let's suppose I'll show it to you. For, let's suppose, see, for non-current assets. See, this is coming from pre-mock September 2025. Question number 3B, might be 3A is from some different standard, 3C from different standard, but I have identified only the part for non-current assets. Let's suppose go down, practice exam 1, question number 2A, right? Only for non-current assets. I have identified questions for each chapter and we will be discussing these chapters in my classes. Okay, now, so one is chapter wise questions practice. But when you practice chapter wise questions, it is not sufficient in my opinion. It is not sufficient in my opinion. So for that, I will be discussing full-fledged paper also. So I will be discussing 6 full-fledged question practice. Now, which question practice full-fledged? Again, see my question bank. See here. I have identified the papers. These papers: March, June 2024 past paper, specimen paper 2, September, December 2024 past paper, pre-mock June 25, pre-mock December 25, March, June 2025. Now these papers are not incorporated here. Okay, all the papers except for these papers are incorporated here, and rest questions are here. Now see how many questions are you solving in total. Total 97 questions. None of the books have these many questions. None of the book has these many questions. And if you solve these many questions, trust me, you will get ample amount of confidence in ACCA SBR. Now, one important point is I'll be discussing all these 6 question papers with you guys in my live session. The entire all these 6 papers I'll be discussing in my live session. I'll write here. Okay, and this discussion will be 100% live. This will be live. Okay, now, so this is what I will be giving you. Now, mock tests. So these mock tests I will be taking by way of this one. These mock tests I'll be taking by this one. So I can say I will be taking around 3 block wise mock tests plus 6 full-fledged mock test, plus 6 full-fledged mock tests. Okay, now coming to mistakes. So what I have done in the concept revision itself, as per my experience of taking around 24 batches of ACCFR and SBR, in my experience, whatever mistakes students have done in the past and examiner report, what I have done is for each chapter by chapter, in the chapter itself, I have made something called as exam focus points. Sir, where will I get this one? So on enrollment, you will also get this SBR capsule book, which will have summary of the entire SBR concepts plus these mistakes as exam focus point towards the end of each chapter. Okay, you want to see, I can show it to you. Just give me a minute. I can show it to you here. See, exam focus point here. Exam focus point is coming up here, right? So you will get this book on enrollment. Okay, hard copy of this book will be delivered to you. Now, coming back. So one is exam focus point plus it is always recommended, guys, that you should read at least past 3 attempts examiner report. But what I have done is I have went through past 10 attempts examiner report and made a summary of it, list of all the mistakes which you could do in the exam. Okay, and I'll be discussing all those mistake points with you guys. Okay, so examiner report summary of last 10 attempts I'll be discussing with you. I believe this will cover the entire end-to-end coverage of ACCSBR in just 55 hours. Just 55 hours. Sir, what about queries? What about queries? So I can say for queries, we will have session every Saturday at 2 p.m. India time. At 2 p.m. India time. Okay, and I will increase the frequency once all the discussions question practice is over, which I'm targeting to do it by mid of Feb. Okay, after that I'll increase the frequency of these query sessions as well. Okay, now we'll also be discussing in the mock test, you can write, we'll also be discussing plus 1 pre-mock exam for your attempt. 1 pre-mock exam for your attempt. Comes the question, sir, will you be evaluating these? Okay, now I'll be brutally honest with you guys. I will be definitely taking for these 6 papers, I will be taking evaluation session. Okay, I'll not be evaluating each and every paper. But yes, if you want me to evaluate and say me, sir, please evaluate this question of mine, definitely I'll do it for you. Okay, but yes, this pre-mock exam, I will be evaluating and sending a personalized feedback to you guys. Okay, this pre-mock exam, I will be evaluating definitely. And now, if you are interested and you want to enroll in this batch, you can visit www.bbvirtualsglobal.com. I'll give the link of this in the description box. Okay. If you need any further details, you can reach out to our team by call or WhatsApp on this contact number. If you need any personal guidance specifically from me, okay, for any enrollment related thing, you can call on this number. But if you need to talk to me specifically for any guidance thing, you can call or WhatsApp on this number. Preferably do a WhatsApp, okay, on this contact number. Okay, I believe I have given you all the details about my upcoming SBR Crash Course batch. If you need any further details, do let me know in the chat box. Thank you guys. Bye bye.